If you snore while you sleep or may be tired during the daytime, you need to watch this. The diagram behind me shows all the consequences or things that might lead to if you have obstructive sleep apnea or snoring while you're sleeping. This is a big one. 90% of men with moderate to severe OSA or obstructive sleep apnea or snoring while they sleep are 3 times more likely to have stroke. That's huge. 77% of patients who suffer from obstructive sleep apnea are intaking more calories, which leads to obesity. It is estimated that 90% of obese male and 50% of obese females have OSA. For the men out there, you need to listen to this. 80% of middle-aged men have sexual dysfunctional, which means that if you don't get enough sleep at nighttime because you're snoring, you're going to lose libidos and impotence.